Hello guys. So today we had to look into another important scenario. That is, you are working as a data analyst for a company that tracks employee attendance. So your task is to identify employees who have taken more than 5 days of sick leave in the last 6 months and have an average attendance rate of less than 80%. So this we had to find out. So first thing is we had to take more than 5 days of sick leave in the last 6 months and average attendance rate of less than 80%. Okay, so for this you have the following tables: employee and attendance. So for this one, with columns, this one, okay, where sick represents sick leave, present means present, and absent is absence. So for this, to find the employees who have taken more than 5 sick leaves and have an average attendance rate of less than 80% over the last 6 months. Okay, so for this, how to solve this one? So first count the sick leaves in the days in the last 6 months. How many sick leaves he taken? And use the where clause to filter the records within the last 6 months and count the how many sick leaves. Okay. After then calculate the attendance rate. So attendance rate is attendance rate as a ratio of present days to the total days in the last 6 months. So this everything I will show in the formulas. So after then use the having clause. Okay. So let's jump to the scenario. First I will show with the tables. So first I had dropped with two tables, employee and attendance, and freshly created with the employee table, employee ID, employee name, department ID, and attendance table called as attendance ID, employee ID, date, and attendance status. After then look into these two tables. Okay, so employee table, employee ID, employee name, department ID, and attendance table, this one. So in attendance, so attendance status has marked as present and sick. Okay, now let's after inserting this one, these are all the records inserted. Now what we can do? So for now, I will write the condition called as, so first join condition will write simply. Then we'll go step by step. First select from employee E, join attendance A on E dot employee ID, E dot employee ID equals to A dot employee ID. Okay, so this is the join condition. Now we'll write the select part. What are all the columns we require? Simply I will write first simple one, E dot employee ID, comma E dot employee name. Okay, just I'm writing two columns. This one fine. Now what we can do, I will write the where condition. Okay, so where condition is where A dot date greater than or equals to date add of. Here I will write the month, comma -6, comma get date function. Okay, so for this one we'll get the 6 months last 6 months data. So here we are not getting any data. So then I'll change this to 7 because I think something my data is not properly records. Okay, so this is the 7 months data I am considering. Just assuming this is the 6 months data only. So if you want, you can insert more records if you want only 6 months data. Okay, for time being, just I'm adding with in place of six months, I'm just adding the 7 months data. Okay, now we have to apply with the group by for this one. Group by. So group by I will add with these two columns names. Okay, after then here I will apply the count function. So why I had to apply the count function called as I had to calculate with the sick days, number of sick days. So I will go with count of case when A dot attendance status equals to sick. Okay, then 1 and as sick days. this one. Okay, now I'll execute this part first. Okay, I'm getting the sick days, number of sick days I'm getting. Same similarly, I'll take with the present days also. So count of case when a dot attendance, I'll copy. Okay, one thing I'll do. To this part I'll copy, then change. Okay. So a dot attendance status, in place of sick, I will write as present. Then one and end as present days. Next, count of star as total days. Okay. Next, so up to this one, we have find with. Let's check with the records how it is. Okay, I'm getting employee ID, employee name, sick days, present days, and total days. Okay. Now, so for this, I want attendance rate also. So this is little bit formula we have to apply here. So first I'll write the count function. Okay. So count of case when a dot attendance status equals to present. Here I will write this one. A dot attendance status equals to present, then one end. Okay. This one multiplies with 100. Okay. 100 divided by count of star. So count of star means total days. Okay. As decimal, I will consider as 5,2. So decimal point. Okay. Now, so for this decimal, I think cast we had to apply here. Cast of the entire thing. Okay. Now it will work as attendance rate. Okay. Now we'll try this one. I guess this one something happened. Total days, yes, comma. Yeah. Okay. So now we are getting with the data employee ID, employee name, sick days, present days, total days, and attendance rate. Now our intention is here who have taken more than 5 days or 5 days less greater than, or if you mention greater than 5 days, only you'll get the 5 days. If you mention with greater than equal to 5, then you will get with the record called as the equal to 5. So this one also Alice. So for Alice, we are getting Alice 5 sick days and attendance rate is 37.50. Our condition also same thing. So last 6 months have an average attendance less than 80 and more than 5 days sick leave. Okay. Then up to this one, fine. Okay. Now we'll put this entire thing in the CTE with, I'll write as attendance summary as open the brace and close. Okay. Now we'll write the this select part from attendance summary. Okay. And we'll write the where clause here, where sick days greater than first I will try greater than, then I will write the greater than or equals to. First greater than 5. Okay. And attendance rate also, and attendance rate less than 80. Okay. Now we'll try, and but select a clause I haven't written. So select a clause, I want employee ID, comma employee name, comma sick days and attendance rate. Okay. Now we'll look into the result. See here, I'm not getting anything. Okay, because of already we seen the result. So if I execute up to this one, you'll get the C here. Okay, so I'm getting sick days is only one row. So greater than or equals to 5. This is not greater than 5. So I'll change this thing to greater than or equals to 5 and it'll execute. Okay, Alice. So employee ID is 5, employee name is Alice, sick days is 5, and attendance rate is 37. So this is the problem statement we have solved. So you are now working with data analysts and so on. So employees who have taken more than 5 days of sick leave in the last 6 months and have an average attendance rate of less than 80%. Okay, so this is the answer. Thank you. Thank you for watching. If you like the content, please like and subscribe. And if you know any other alternate method, please write in the comment. Thank you.